In this video, I will show you how to get paid $240 free PayPal money every day by watching videos. The first step is to play the video. The second step is to watch 10 seconds of the video. The third step is to cash out your earnings via PayPal or other payment methods. Now, if you're wondering how much money you can make from watching videos, let's just say that if you watch for 1 hour, you can easily earn $60. If you watch for 2 hours, you can earn $120, and if you watch for 3 hours, you can earn $180. You can also do this as many times as you wish. The best thing is that this method is completely free and available all over the world. All you need is a smartphone or a computer to get started, and you can literally start making money right now. So, in this video, I'll show you how to create a free account and give you a bunch of hints and tips. I'll also show you which videos will pay you the most money, and I'll also show you a live demonstration of how to do it, so you can see me do it step by step on this video. Now, I'd like to introduce you to swingbucks.com, which is a fresh new website. As you can see, you can get paid every 15 seconds on this trusted and sustainable website. There are a variety of videos and channels that you can watch to make money online, with their earning potential being limitless. So, I'll show you how to watch this 10-second advertisement and watch the video to earn free PayPal money over and over again. This is exactly how all of these guys make a lot of money on this website every single day. The most important thing is that you can earn money for free in various ways on this website. The first way is to watch videos and earn money online. The second is to click on this grid and make money, which is a pretty cool strategy. Don't forget, at the end of this video, I'll show you a bonus strategy to help you make more money than others. So, make sure you keep watching until the end. As you can see, you can watch videos and get paid for that. Now, step number 1 is to sign up for free on the Swingbucks. So, I want you to go ahead and click on this register button, which will take you to the registration page. You can now register either on your phone or on your computer. As general information, you should just give your full name, username, password along with your email address. On the payment account section, you can receive your PayPal money through Perfect Money or Paise, or by simply entering your payment information. You can also get paid in other payment methods once you log into your account. The last section you must complete is image verification. So, click on the I'm not a robot option and agree to the rules and regulations of the website. Now, click on the register button. Once you've logged into your account, you'll see a variety of commercials and videos that you can view to earn money online. As you can see, there are a lot of various companies on this website, which means you have a lot of different options to look into. The best thing is that you can discover many companies which provide you with new video advertising that can make you money for simply watching videos. The only problem beginners encounter is that they don't know which company or which video ad they should watch to make the most money. So, as promised, the first tip I will give you is to concentrate on micro ads. You can make money online simply by watching 10-second videos. So, all you have to do is keep watching and wait for the next video ad to appear, then wait for another 10 seconds and you'll be able to earn a lot of money. Before we do that, if you guys are enjoying this video, which I have put a lot of time and effort into making, I'd really appreciate it if you guys hit the like button and subscribe with notifications turned on. Now, I want to give you another important tip. You can turn off the volume of your video by just clicking on this one button to mute the video and turn off the volume. This is a very powerful method because you can watch multiple videos at the same time. If you have a computer or a phone, you can open numerous browsers on different devices. The more videos you watch, the more money you could make over and over again. Whenever you watch a video, you're guaranteed to see one video ad in front of it. Once you finish watching the entire advertisement, when the video starts, you might find out about 2, 3, or even 4 video ads from just one video. This will result in more money. That is exactly how to get paid $240 free PayPal money every day by watching videos. Also, if you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos and make sure you have subscribed to the channel with notifications turned on so that you won't miss our next videos.